What's happening, everybody? Ooh, I like this. Ooh. How you doing, Jan? This is Jan, everybody. He's going to be playing guitar for us tonight. So, this is a very kind of intimate setting. This is the first time that I'm here. This is show 1 of 2 tonight. Two small shows. And we're going to be doing these songs that you usually hear on a bigger stage. How are you all doing, first of all? I should have asked that. That's good news. We're going to be doing these songs in kind of like a different way, dropping the keys. I might get a little TikTok-y, musical nerdy. So this first record is a result of the internet, obviously, and well, most of these records on this new record and kind of gauging the interest off the crowd. And I remember just having this little loop in my head and then documenting it. Just something told me to like bust out my phone and just document the process. And the song was not going to get finished originally, but you all coerced me to finish it. And it was one of the biggest songs as a result of it. So thanks. This is off the new record, Charlie. This is called Light Switch. Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna like this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing? But I can't stay mad when you walk like that, no. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? Yeah. I said don't look back, but I go right back, and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna like this, you know how to. You sound good. You're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around you. You know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you wanna keep me wanting you, baby. Oh, you want, you want, you want, you want, you wanna keep me wanting you. This song has a question mark at the end of it. You
can hear the piano, right?
I was wrong, what else can I say, girl? Can't you blame my head and not my heart? I don't make it right, but I promise there were no feelings involved.
Sing it with me.
She said, boy, tell me honestly,
Was it real or just for show?
she said, save your apologies.
Baby, I just gotta know.
You've been creeping around on me while you call me
Baby,
how long has this been going on? You've been making so shady, I've been feeling
baby, baby.
I'll admit it's my fault, but you gotta believe me when I said it only happened once or twice. I tried,
But you'll never see that you're the only one I wanna love. London choir, sing it to me, go.
she said,
Was it? Baby, I just gotta know.
how long has this been going on? You've been creeping around on me. How long has this been
Going on.
You've been making so shady, I've been feeling
Baby, baby. Long has it been going on, baby?
She said, boy, tell me honestly, was it real or just for sure?
You seriously sound so good. Baby, I just got
How long has this been
going on. You've been on me,
while you call me?
baby.
How long
Has this been going on? You've been acting so shady,
I've been feeling
baby. Long has it been going on, baby?
You've been acting so shady, I've been feeling
Baby. You mess up, hopefully you know it, and you can lift us up. This is a message to myself. Sometimes I just need to quiet my mind. This is a new one called Charlie the Choir. Slow it down. That's the way. Slow it down.
Charlie, be quiet, don't make a sound. You got to lower the noise a little bit now. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away. I'm not making the same mistake. Won't be putting my heart on display. I'll just water my feelings down. I'm not going out looking down, telling all my friends how you're the one. Those words never leave in my mouth. But the feeling gets stronger, baby. What am I gonna do now? When you touch me, cause it's all getting too loud. Charlie, be quiet, don't make a sound. You got to lower the noise a little bit now. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away. Charlie, be quiet, don't make a sound. You got to lower the noise a little bit now. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away. I'm not gonna do more than like. Won't be sleeping over every night. I'll act like I don't even care. I'm not going out looking dumb, telling all my friends I found someone, then waking up without you there. But the feeling gets stronger, baby. What am I gonna do now when you touch me? Cause it's all getting too loud. Try to be quiet, don't make a sound. You got to lower the noise a little bit now. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away. Don't make a sound, you got to lower the noise a little bit now. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away. If she knows you're in love, she's gonna run away.
A song called Left and Right.
Memories follow me left and right. I can feel it. Take up every corner of my mind. Ever since the day you went away, how much more do I messed up lyrics there? Maybe I should just focus on me instead. On the nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no. You're going around in circles, got you stuck up in my head. Memories follow me left and right. Feel it, take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. Feel it, take up every corner of my mind. Ever since the day you went away, how much more do I gotta drink for the pain? You did things to me that I just can't forget. All the nights we were tangled up in your bed. Oh no, oh no. You're going around in circles, got you fucked up in my head. Memories follow me left and right. Feel it, every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. Feel it, every corner of my mind. Did you know you're the one that got away? Even though I'm still not okay. Did you know in my dreams they're all the same? Every time I close my eyes, memories follow me left and right. I can feel it, take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. Feel it, take up every corner of my mind. You're holding it now. Oh, feel it, take up every corner of my mind. You're holding it now.
I appreciate the back and forth singing because it dawned on me that song is hard to sing just by myself.